Welcome to Autism Takes On, and today we're going to make some homemade pizza. And if you read the title of this video correctly, yes, we are indeed making pizza. You can put all kinds of toppings, ham, pepperoni, or bananas if you're interested. So, stay tuned and let's make some pizza. Here's sourdough pizza crust. Only at Parmesan Real Food Emporium can you get these. We have some ham. Yes, you can put some ham on pizza. It's healthier than pepperoni. But if you like pepperoni, I cannot stop you from putting that on your pizza. We've got some peppers, I think. Yeah, peppers. Mushrooms. And onions. No, we are not putting bananas on this pizza, but you can do it if you want to. And here's some extra cheese. Alright, let's get some pizza crusts out. If you'd like to, you can make your own pizza crust, but unfortunately we're not showing you how. If only we knew how. Now we need to put the sauce on the pizza crust. It's pizza sauce. Yes, there's a difference between pizza sauce and spaghetti sauce, so make sure you're buying the right thing. Spread the sauce around, as so. On this type of pizza crust, you need to put the sauce as close to the edge as possible. For our recipe, we're going to put cheddar cheese, wrinkle the cheese on the crust. Now for the Parmesan cheese. Okay, now for some fresh mozzarella. Okay, since it's obviously your pizza, you can add whatever toppings you want, or no toppings at all, if you choose. But we're going to be putting toppings on our pizza, and it's going to include ham, which, as I said, is healthier than pepperoni, but if you wish to add pepperoni instead of ham, you may do so. On this pizza, we're only going to put ham on half of it. A serving is half a pizza, so you can actually split the pizza if you wish to do that. Now let's put some peppers on. Okay, now for some mushrooms. Did you know that pizza originated in Italy? So, the first pizza shop opened in Italy, in Naples.
Is it still open?
Yep. And now let's put some onions on there. Now put the pizza in the oven. The oven is now at 450 degrees, and you should check the pizza after 8 minutes. Okay, now to check the pizza. Ooh-wee! That's definitely done. Let the pizza rest for 5 minutes before you slice it up and eat it. Okay, now to cut the pizza and stir. You love the pizza, no?
Now here's the pre-made pizza crust that we got. Of course, these are the organic wheat flour with the sourdough cultures by a company called Brick Oven, which is a fairly local company.
Yeah, I'm Captain Obvious. I like being obvious. Yeah, pizza originally did in Italy. Also was its first pizza shops, which is still open today in Mabel's.
Why are you crying?
Onions.
Onions. And the Academy Award goes to...
Okay, now we put the other pizza in the oven. That is all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.